Zau kamiti ya mbunge ya kunga MAURI ya minista baraboroti ni mukathe Rais William Ruto kurungamira NDUNG'U mwanya mwanya nibetithite na mbere mutaratara jojo na arua iri ntuku ya ijiri. Profesa KINDIKI uria woroti kurungamira ukaria bwandene na chokete biuria kathumba NKUCANIO cha MIANKA kuithukirwa ni maitha mabataro jabi sababu rithi na biuria bingi kathumba bangi baria bethritu bakithujwa ni amwe na AISHA JUMWA CHIRCHIR JUGUNA ndungu na Moses KURIA Boniface Mongera ni akujirite makarika jantuko ya narua kikarone giki kia mbunge
ni ntuko ijiri gikarona kyo ya kuthuja minista baraboroti ikarone bya bunge.
Questions?
Profesa KINDIKI kumanture ni rundini marimanti ndene kaunti ya THARAKA au mbere kuthujwa.
My net worth is 544 million.
544 million.
Shillings, not dollars.
Na nyumene Profesa KINDIKI na kirugi karangoni gurendosha kimya kiri kionekana kiri kaunti mwanya mwanya za kwa ngerekano ndene kaunti ya THARAKA na kaunti ya MERU.
Boundaries have been an issue between many counties, between my county and your county.
Constitution of 2010 froze the review of boundaries and applied the Districts and Provinces Act of 1992. But the Constitution also in Article 188 requires a review of boundaries, county boundaries, through a process which is independent from the electoral and boundaries process. So some of these historical issues will be resolved through that way.
Kingi akiama babo ingi bendera kumero Profesa KINDIKI ni muthomi watho akethire garura na inya kwerekithania rwangiro okaria muno mantuja wa mbabo ndithia ogaindi ni inya kuroko mwingi NDUNG'U shokaria ntobujikire na gichonko extrajudicial killing.
Nominee, I am tired. I am honestly tired, and Kenyans are tired. What do you intend to do differently from your predecessors, away from the usual rhetoric and threats?
I am instructed to ensure that the banditry problem is resolved once and for all. I assure Kenyans and I assure this committee that I will make whatever sacrifices that are required to be made. I will stay focused until this problem is over.
What will you do as the minister, and as soon as you have improved these terms, to end that corruption which happens? What are you going to do to ensure that we do not hear of these illegal roadblocks and tours, etc.?
I'll take leadership in trying to ensure that the police are able to reclaim their position and dignity among the society.
Kanyago kinyira nako kabi AISHA JUMWA oroti kanyene kaministo itingwira mantuja miumbire ikethro kethuka nde ko nyinge ni nyago ntokomwe kiao methori ja mwitikire nyorororo ni nyakuingo ikimeri kayite ne karambiria kwethro etariria rugono roturo bwawe.
My parents were poor. They used to struggle to provide for me.
Boss yourself. We have all walked the same journey, don't worry.
Mnaku igokalia mithiro kuninya migeraniro ya janale ari ake mababa ingi benderea kumemanto mathomo jawe ni atombire kugwata D- na ke muthia agwata masters.
It requires further clarification either from the nominee or from the university, whether this is a mere certificate course or an executive master of leadership and governance, which is a degree according to this certification.
You know, and I'm asking myself, if you are in Pokot, for example, can you really get a D- and get a degree? What is the road of getting that degree on the chair?
A former street boy didn't go through high school, but because of the community work he did in Kibra, he went to an Ivy League college, Wesley College in the United States of America.
Point of order.
And so
the members who feel that they need to defend the CS nominee are not doing a service to her because they're making her look like she can't answer her own questions, and I know she can.
You know, I represent many who today are looking Aisha Jumwa as a role model, that you can have a D or a D minus and get somewhere to the cabinet. You are talking of the real hustler.
Bwa kenda bwa kumesherekeria na rikithiria kiama kethretwo garoku bunge kire ministry tigo wantu baba inge bakwithro be mumaria.
Many in question here has been named in several cases. A case to do with murder that occurred in a home of an opponent where she stormed together with her team. A case of misappropriation of NGCDF funds.
There are terminologies that I want to share with you and that I will carry when given the opportunity. There's an a word known as dignified silence and a high level of tolerance and restraint. So I think that was then. Going forward, I will be behaving like a CS for public service and gender.
Bange barabadongo nerwe ya Professor NJUGUNA ndongo ororoti kanyene kamiso kigine nyame bango.
I've registered my net worth as roughly about 950 million.
Nde ne kagita konte kaneka mirongo kenda akiame bakwedro bakiorotera Professor NJUGUNA nontu bakwedro batamburukire gichungu gikinge na kwedro balinga chenga kire biure bira bakora ya.
I've been a victim of abuse of the criminal justice system.
Bwana David CHIRCHIR na Moses KURIA ebubo kaliba muthia kwethro bakinga rwembo ntu kwenarwa arentu kwerojo thithetho ciongwa Senator Ruto Marakwet Kipchumba Murkomen akarira gite nke reporter Ntoshero TV kumaje kengine kithoke Nairobi Beta Boniface Mungera.